I am an attorney with ASUO Student Legal Services with information about renter's insurance for off-campus rental housing. The landlord will have insurance to protect the landlord's property, such as protection of the building itself, the grounds, and any separate building on the property. The landlord's insurance very likely does not cover the tenant's personal property. To cover the tenant's personal property, such as clothing, computers, furniture, and other personal items, the tenant may obtain renter's insurance to reimburse the tenant in the event of a loss caused by theft, fire, and flooding. Often, the landlord will require that the tenant obtain and maintain renter's insurance as part of the rental agreement. However, there are certain restrictions on this under Oregon law, and should you have questions on these restrictions, you may speak with an attorney at ASUO Student Legal Services. A renter's insurance policy might also provide coverage for additional living expenses, such as hotel costs, that the tenant might incur in the event the rental property is not habitable, or the policy might provide liability coverage for the tenant in the event the tenant injures another person or damages another person's property. The landlord cannot require that you obtain renter's insurance with a specific insurance company. When you obtain renter's insurance, the insurance policy will describe all the terms of the coverage. You will pay a monthly fee called a premium to the insurance company for the renter's insurance coverage, and this monthly premium will typically be around $10 to $20. There will be a limit on the amount of the coverage. For example, the renter's insurance policy may limit coverage of the tenant's personal property to a maximum of $5,000. If your personal property is of substantial value, you might consider obtaining a policy with a higher coverage limit. The renter's insurance policy will also have what is called a deductible amount. The deductible is the amount of money the tenant must pay before the renter's insurance policy starts paying for covered losses. For example, if your deductible amount is $250 and you sustain covered losses in the amount of $1,000, the insurance company is only going to pay you $750. Keep receipts from the purchases of your personal property if you can, especially receipts for high-priced items. Also, you should take and keep high-resolution pictures of your personal property. These steps will make it easier for you if you have to make a claim with the insurance company for a loss. If you have any questions about renter's insurance, please contact ASUO Student Legal Services by phone at 541-346-4273 or through our website asuolegal.org.